It's a great day in Silver Spring. I am here on Verus Mill Road to drop this sold sign up on this property here. We are going to closing in 2 weeks. We're past the home inspection and we're past the appraisal. All we got's the final walkthrough left. This one's done. Time to go do it again. Let's go throw this sucker up. Another one done. This one in Damascus on Kingstead Road just got sold. Home inspection's done, appraisal's done. Value actually came in a hair over our contract price. This one, 3 offers and over list price. So if you know anybody who is looking to sell their house in the Damascus area, I'd love to talk to them.